Tesla has a product lineup named S3XY, Elon Musk reporting sexy. Chinese Tesla like NIO, XPeng, Li Auto, or has the vision to build up a complete product lineup. Chinese premier electric vehicle maker HiPhi launched its lowest priced model to date, the HiPhi Y, in an attempt to enter the mainstream premium EV market. HiPhi rolled out the HiPhi Y SUV as the third model after ultra-luxury HiPhi X and HiPhi Z at the launch event.
Niggas in my grill trying to phase me.
The HiPhi Y is currently available in 4 variants with a starting price of RMB, so the 339,000 RMB and the 369,000 RMB and the 399,000 RMB, and for the last one is 449,000 respectively. The starting price of the entry-level version is just about RMB 1,000 higher than the NIO New ES6, which was launched on May 24th, and now they started for the RMB 338,000 in China. The HiPhi Y is a 5-seat middle-sized SUV with a length, width, and a height of 4,938mm and 1,958mm and 1,658mm and a wheelbase of the 2,950mm. Its 2 least expensive version are powered by a single model with a maximum power of 247 kW, which can accelerate from 0 to 100 km only in 6.9 seconds. Both versions have a battery pack capacity of 76.6 kW and a CLTC range of 560 km. The version with a starting price of RMB is 399,000 is also equipped with a single electric motor with a maximum power of 247 kW that can accelerate from 0 to 100 kW in 6.8 seconds. It comes with a 115 kW battery pack and it has a CLTC range of 810 km. The highest priced version of the HiPhi Y comes with the dual motors and also has additional front motor of 124 kW maximum power over the single motor version. And it then can accelerate from 0 to 100 kW in 4.7 seconds. It comes with a 115 kW battery pack and it has a CLTC range of 765 km. The version priced at RMB 369,000 and RMB 449,000 come with a LiDAR as a stand, while for the other 2 versions, the part is an option that the customer has to pay for. As important as the ES6 was for NIO, the HiPhi Y will be crucial for HiPhi as the lower price are expected to allow the company to reach a wider customer base. HiPhi launched its first model, HiPhi X, in October 2020, and the deliveries of the model began in May 2021. The HiPhi X started RMB 570,000 for the 6-seat version and up to the RMB 800,000 for the 4-seat version. In August 2022, HiPhi officially launched its second model, the HiPhi Z. The model is available for the 5-seat and the 4-seat version with a starting price of RMB 610,000 and RMB 630,000 respectively, with deliveries coming from in late January. Next good news is from Tesla. Tesla Shanghai planned to see 1 millionth Model Y roll off, which started construction on January 7, 2019, and it began the operation at the end of 2019. It is the first wholly foreign-owned automotive manufacturing project in China. Shanghai Gigafactory began the delivery Model 3 sedan in January 2020 and the Model Y crossover in January 2021. The local consumer. The plant saw its 1 million mass product vehicle roll-off assembly line on August 13 last year, less than 3 years after the plant began production. The factory, which now has a capacity of more than 1 million vehicles per year, is Tesla's largest in the world and not only supplies vehicle to customers in China, but also serves an export center for the EV market. Finally, let's take a look in this message, although it sounds very much like a joke. Audi reportedly in talks to buy platform from SAIC EV union iMotors. Audi is rumored to be considering buying a platform from Rover from the first time in China to shorten the development times of its models. And a subsidiary of the SAIC, the motor crop could be on the horizon. iMotors was founded on November 26, 2020 by SAIC, Zhangjiang High-Tech, and Alibaba, with SAIC holding a majority stake. So in April 2021, its first model, the iMotors L7 sedan, was available for the pre-order during the Shanghai Auto Show, and the deliveries begins on June 18 this year. In February, iMotors' second model, the LS7 SUV, was officially launched in China. Audi is facing to the awkward position of being behind in China's fast-growing EV market. Audi offers the two electric models in China based on the Volkswagen MEB platform, the Q4 e-tron and the Q5 e-tron. Audi sold just on 3,000 EVs in China in the first quarter, while BMW sold 21,646 EVs and Tesla sold 137,429. In an interview with the Reuters last month, Audi CEO Marcus said that the company had to accelerate the development of the new models to meet the surging demand for the electric vehicle globally, especially in China. This is all from today's news from China and EV News. I'm Sarah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel if you like it. For more rolling news or the upcoming on the China new energy industry, you would also can go to www.cnuvpost.com. See you in the next video. Bye.